And now I will show you the best way to update your PHP version for your WordPress website. First of all, let's check our current PHP version. So from my WordPress admin dashboard, I'm going to hovering on tools and clicking on site health. And here I'm selecting info. Under info, I'm clicking on server. And here, as you can see, my current PHP version is 8.2.23. And now, if you want to change your PHP version, or if you want to update or downgrade your PHP version, the best method is from your cPanel. So if you want to upgrade or downgrade your PHP version from your WordPress admin dashboard, then you will be able to do it, but your entire WordPress website can break completely. So it's very risky to change PHP version from WordPress dashboard. But I'll show you how to do it. From your WordPress admin dashboard, you have to go to add new plugin page first of all. So we have to install and activate a file manager plugin first of all. So in the search plugins box, type here file manager, and all you have to need install and activate this file manager, and make sure to activate file manager plugin. Once the plugin activated, in this left hand menu you see this WP file manager. So click on WP file manager, and here you see your website all files and folders. Now you have to find out these .htaccess file. So we are going to edit this .htaccess file. So right click on this file and click on edit code, and here you find the .htaccess file editor. Now in this video description you find this code. All you have to need, copy this code, and now here under this last module tag you have to add this code just like so. And here you see the PHP version, and all you have to need to update your PHP version, here you have to add the latest version. So if you are using PHP version 5 or 6 or 7 and now you want to update to PHP version 8 or 8.2, then all you have to need right here 8.2. So write the PHP version name and click on save. And once you successfully saved, close this. And now you have successfully changed PHP version from your WordPress admin dashboard. But sometimes, most of the times, it's very risky to change from WordPress admin dashboard. And the secure option is to change your WordPress version easily from cPanel. And here's how to do it. Log into your WordPress website cPanel or your website cPanel. Once you are in your cPanel, scroll down and you have to find out Select PHP version. You can use search tools box in your cPanel to find out Select PHP version. Just open it. And here select extension, and here we can see my current PHP version. Now to upgrade or downgrade your PHP version, click on this version drop down, and now go ahead, and from here you will be able to easily update or downgrade your PHP version, and click on apply, and that's it. Thanks for watching.